I wanted to show a new feature of RainMaker when it has to do with belt promotions or rank promotions. Let's say that you have a large group that is testing for their next rank, and you want to be able to split that large promotion up into smaller groups. And maybe you want to do a group on Friday night at 7, and you want to do another one Saturday morning at 9, and then you want to do another group Saturday afternoon at 3. So that way, when you promote these, you can kind of segregate them into smaller groups. Well, RainMaker now makes it a lot easier to do that if you have a large promotion. So what I want you to look at is settings, and then you'll see rank promotion groups. So what we're going to do is we're going to create some groups for our rank promotion. And in this right here, I can add a new group, and here's my existing. Now in my personal martial arts school, we have 5 different rank promotions. We have one for my junior beginners. We typically do that Friday night at 6 o'clock. And then we have one intermediates. We typically do that at 7 o'clock on Friday night. Then we have our junior advanced. We do that Saturday morning at 10. We do our little champs, our preschoolers. We do those at noon. And then our adults, we do it on a Wednesday night at 6. So these are my testing. So what I want to do is when I'm promoting people, I want to put them in these groups. So that way I can create a roster for that particular testing night, as well as I could print belt labels for that particular testing. There's some other options here, guys. I can add a new one. Like, these are my groups, but I was thinking that maybe you could do, if you have a Friday at 6 p.m. group, then you could do that. You could just add the Friday at 6 p.m. Or if you had maybe, if you wanted to put all your jiu-jitsu group together, then you can throw in a group for jiu-jitsu. I mean, obviously, you can put as many groups as you want, but I want you to understand that they represent maybe a promotion time, a date and time, or just a group of people that you're going to do all at once, okay? Now, I can remove, if I've assigned a ton of people to my junior beginners, and then I've already used that belt promotion, then I can remove all the members from that group if I wanted to. I can also delete that particular group as well if I'm never going to use that group again. Now, let me show you how you add members to that group. So I'm going to go to members, and then I'm going to go to rank promotions, and I'm going to go to add and edit a rank promotion. And I'm going to go in the past a little bit here. I'm going to show you my my January 25th, 2013. I'm going to select that. Now, if you have multiple styles, it still works terrific with multiple styles, and you've seen this form before. Notice now that there's this bulk over here, and I can select every student that I want to put into a certain group. All right, so this is what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to the end, and I'm going to assign some groups here. Okay, so Gabriel Wilson here, and Chase Wills, and Raymond are all a part of my little champs. So I'm going to go down here. I'm going to assign to a group is my bulk action, and I'm going to assign it to, and you'll see my Friday at 6 was in there, Jiu-Jitsu is in there, and I'm going to put them in my little champs, and I'm going to hit go. And so it already assigned them to the groups. Now I can make this easier on myself. Let's say that I know that I want to put all my little champs. So I just typed in a search, all my little champs, and all my little champs age group. Now this is the little champs age group. They all just came up. You know, the list is a lot smaller. All right. Let's say that I want to put in the Smith family. I know they're all going to come to I only have one Smith. That's funny. But let's say I wanted to put all the Smith family into a certain group. You see how so then I can click here and I can say, you know what, all the Smiths are in my adult program, and I'm going to hit go. And so now I just assign them. And notice that it took off the, as I do that, it pulls it back up. So you can see, let's say that I want to put all my white belts. Maybe I create a group just called white belts. All right, so what I do is I select all my white belts, and at the very end, I say I don't have white belts here, but I put in my white belts, I hit go, and now they're all assigned. I hope you understand how that works, okay? So now that I've assigned these to a group, they'll remain in that group forever, unless I come down here and I say, you know, reset all my groups. If I say reset all my groups, that means everybody goes back to not being in a group. If I say, you know what, I just want to take these 3 people out of there, I can say reset the checked groups, and these guys will be taken out of all groups. There's another way that you can do this, and that is settings. You can go to rank promotion groups, and you can say, you know what, everybody out of I want everybody out of my jiu-jitsu group. So if I click remove all of them, it says members have been removed from that group jiu-jitsu. So now no one's in that group anymore. So that's kind of how you can reset it. So now that I've put people in groups, what can I do with it? Well, let's say that I want to create a roster. So it's Friday night at 6 o'clock, and my testing my testing is coming up, and I want to create a report of everyone that's coming to tonight's testing. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to say, okay, so it's the 25th, and I want all of those that are in my little champs because they're testing right now, and I hit go, and those people that you just saw me put into that group now shows up. So now this is not the entire testing because I just wanted that one group, so I'm just using that group. So, and then if I go to adults here, I don't even know if I put anybody in there. Yep, got Landon Smith in there. Remember the Smith family? I put in the adult group. Or I can just say, you know what? I want to see everyone that's registered for this testing, their current rank, the one they're promoting to, their belt size, and then of course you can click, and that's how that works, and you can see 145 people came. So what else can you do with this? Well, members, rank promotions, you can create rank labels just for that one group. All right, so let's say I want to do my 125, and the group that I want to use is going to be my little champs, and I hit go, and then I can view the labels, and now I have labels for just those that are in my little champs. I take these, I peel them off, I stick them on belts, and we're done. So there you go, guys. This is how you can use groups to effectively take a large belt promotion or a rank promotion and pull them down to a much smaller group so that you could only pull up what you need for a given time. I hope this helps, and I know it's going to make things a lot easier for you. Have a great day.